Have you ever wondered what happens after a search warrant is executed, and whether there is an important check and balance to ensure everything was done properly? Yes, absolutely. A judge does indeed review the returned search warrant. This crucial step is part of the legal process designed to ensure accountability and to verify that the search was conducted within the scope of the warrant and the law. The primary reason for this judicial review is to uphold Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. When law enforcement returns a warrant to the court, they typically provide a detailed inventory of items seized and a record of how the warrant was executed. The judge reviews this return to confirm compliance with the terms of the warrant, the probable cause affidavit, and constitutional requirements. This review helps ensure that any evidence collected was obtained lawfully, safeguarding the rights of the individual whose property was searched. To understand this process better, consider that the warrant itself is a court order, authorized by a judge, specifying exactly where law enforcement can search and what they can seize. Once the search is complete, the officers must then complete a document known as the return of warrant or return and inventory. This document is submitted back to the court that issued the warrant. While the judge's review might not always involve a formal hearing, they will examine the documentation to verify that the search stayed within its prescribed boundaries. If there are any discrepancies or potential issues, the judge can initiate further inquiry. This system highlights the principle of judicial oversight, a cornerstone of our justice system. The judge's role extends beyond merely authorizing the search. It includes verifying that the constitutional standard for a lawful search, established by the Fourth Amendment, was met throughout the entire process. This meticulous procedural requirement adds a vital layer of protection for individuals, ensuring that law enforcement actions remains within legal and constitutional limits. Ultimately, the judge's review of a returned search warrant serves as a critical procedural safeguard. It provides an essential check on governmental power, reinforcing the foundational principle that even with a warrant, searches must be conducted fairly and in strict accordance with the law, thus protecting individual liberties.